Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert your Outlook calendar into an email. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Wait for everything to load completely so you can see your inbox and all your emails. This ensures that Outlook has fully synced your data and you'll have access to all the tools you need for inserting your calendar. Once your email has loaded and you can see your main inbox, you'll want to access your email composition tools. Look towards the top left part of your screen and click on the New Email button. This opens up a fresh email composition window where you can start creating your message and eventually add your calendar. Now that you're in the email composition screen, direct your attention to the top part of the window where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs like Message, Insert, and Format Text. Click on the Insert tab to reveal additional options for adding content to your email. This is where Outlook keeps all the features for inserting attachments, pictures, tables, and of course, your calendar. From the Insert menu, the process becomes quite straightforward. Simply click on the Calendar option from your Insert menu. This will immediately open a new window called Calendar via Email, which gives you full control over how your calendar will appear in the email. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to share your availability with colleagues or coordinate meeting times with clients. In the Calendar via Email window, you'll see several customization options. First, look for the date range dropdown and click on it. This allows you to select the specific time period you want to share from your calendar. Choose the date range that makes sense for your purpose, whether it's just the current week, the next month, or a custom range. Next, you'll need to decide how much detail you want to include. Look for the Details dropdown and click on it. You'll see three options here: availability only, limited details, or full details. If you just want to show when you're busy or free, choose availability only. If you want to include meeting titles but not all the specifics, go with limited details. And if you need to share everything including locations and descriptions, select full details. Pick whichever option works best for your situation. Once you've selected and configured both your date range and detail level, click on the OK button. Outlook will then generate a calendar preview and add it directly into your email body. The calendar appears as a formatted table that clearly shows your schedule for the selected period, making it easy for recipients to see your availability at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully inserted your Outlook calendar into an email, making it simple to share your schedule with others. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.